Good morning! Konnichiwa, minna-san, and welcome to my first weekly vlog. Let me just go ahead and introduce myself. Watashi wa maru desu. University of Southern Philippines Foundation no yonensei desu. Senkyu wa Information Technology. Dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu. So you guys might be wondering, the fudge is this guy speaking in Nihongo? And the reason for that is because this vlog will be about my experience having my internship at Accenture Incorporated under Japan Campus Hub. So here's my daily and weekly routine. Every Monday morning, we do our weekly long quiz where Sensei gauges our learnings from the previous week. And from there, she can identify where and what part of the previous lesson we are having a hard time with. We started our internship with Accenture last January, so technically, upon watching this video, we are already on our first week. Gomen for the late upload was busy with the other projects.
Okay, so pakiclick ng link and then nakandun na kayo sa site, practice katakana. Nakalagay dun ay practice sa upper part. Yung home dictionary lessons practice. Maran-san, genki desu ka?
Genki janai desu.
Nandesu ka? Motte desu ka? Eh? Nagalit sa sensei. Dami na sinabi. Ay, eto, Maran-san.
Hi.
Ikutsu desu ka?
Ikutsu BS Information Technology desu.
No.
Ay. H?
Yes, ikutsu desu ka?
Niju Kyusai desu.
Okay, so Niju Kyusai desu.
By after today, the discussion, medyo clear na siya. By Monday, I will be able to come up with a work plan. Of course,
Akong playground every single time?
Yeah, naka-indicate yun sa ano.
Ay, really? Ako is hindi kasi isang playground lang talaga ginagamit ko, which is yung koala.
Kasi minsan may parang may nag-overlap na may nakalagay doon na you need a new playground for this activity because meron parang discrepancies na pwede mangyari ka.
So far sa akin wala naman.
O baka sinungaling yung module, bro. Oo, das ne.
Hinayaan ko lang kasi.
Dami ko ng modules like per module siguro, yung parang per part.